Unraveling Slang. The story behind street rat. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's intriguing and a bit mysterious, street rat. Often we come across terms in English that make us pause and wonder about their origins and meanings. Street rat is one such expression that carries with it a rich tapestry of context and cultural references. So, let's dive in and decode this phrase together, so you can understand it and use it correctly in English conversations. The term street rat is a slang expression that is used to describe a person who is considered to be of low social status, often someone who is homeless or lives by their wits in urban areas. It carries a negative connotation and can be seen as an insult. The term paints a picture of someone who is seen as unworthy or an outcast, similar to how rats are often viewed in society. But it's important to note that the usage of this term can be sensitive. In modern contexts, it's generally understood to be derogatory and could be offensive. Knowing when and how to use slang is a key part of mastering English, and street rat is one phrase that should be used with caution. Understanding the phrase street rat requires a bit of a history lesson. Historically, rats have been associated with disease and filth, particularly in urban environments. Because they thrive in such settings, they've become a symbol of the underside of city life. In literature and media, a street rat has been portrayed as a survivalist, someone who is crafty and resourceful but not always following the rules of society. Think of characters in novels set in the Victorian era or post-apocalyptic worlds. In these settings, a street rat character might be someone who has to steal to survive but has a good heart. One of the most famous uses of the term in popular culture is in the Disney movie, Aladdin, where the main character is referred to as a street rat, because of his life as a resourceful urchin in the streets of Agrabah. In today's English, street rat is not commonly used in everyday conversation. It might still be heard in movies, books, or perhaps in a metaphorical sense when discussing social issues. However, because it can be considered disparaging, it's essential to use such terms only in the right context, such as academic or literary discussions, and with a clear purpose. If you do hear it in modern discourse, it might be in discussions of social inequality or historical references, rather than directed at an individual. The phrase can serve as a powerful reminder of how language can reflect societal attitudes towards certain groups of people. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase street rat. Remember, while slang can add color to our language, it's crucial to use such terms with understanding and respect. I hope this video has been informative and has given you a clearer insight into this complex term. Happy learning, and I look forward to bringing you more fascinating language topics in our next video.